Hello, this is Anup Sonawane, NLP coach and your transformation mentor. I welcome you in this 5 days NLP training WhatsApp class. What will we be focusing in these 5 days? We will be focusing on how to improve, how to grow, how to give a perfect shape to our inner personality, our emotions, our beliefs, our thoughts, right? See, outer personality means how you look, how you communicate, what is your body language, but inner personality is also very important. How you think, how you react, what are those images which are holding you. There might be some incident in your life which happened 2 years back, 3 years back. Still the effect is there, the trauma is there, the fear, the phobia is there, and because of those fears and phobias and those traumas, you are not able to take action in the present. And because of you're not taking the right action which is required for your dreams and desires, you're not taking those actions, and your future is blur. We all want to grow, we all want to move forward in life, we all want success, health, abundance. But if something is holding you back, and what is that something? That something can be images, a dialogue, a tone, a voice which is disturbing you, right? So we will be focusing how to remove those negative beliefs and turn those negative beliefs into positive ones. Delete those negative voices, negative commands which your subconscious mind is giving to you, and how to insert new beliefs, and how to grow and how to reach till that level or till that peak of success which we want, which we desire. Your subconscious mind will help you. We will be focusing in these 5 days the power of subconscious mind. We will be learning the power of subconscious mind. We will be learning the secrets how to move forward in life, and how to leave all those negative traumas, fear, phobias behind and move forward. So let's focus, and let's help ourselves to grow, to improve our inner personality. I welcome you again in this 5 days WhatsApp class. Now, how we will be doing this training? Daily one audio and video will be in the WhatsApp group, Hindi and English. Many people, they have opted for English, so a separate audio for those who opted for English, a separate video for those will be there. Also a video and audio in Hindi will be there. So both Hindi and English will be simultaneously in the group. Also, the group will be open in the evening, 7:30 to 9, to discuss what you learned today. What were your feelings? What were your emotions? How is the feeling? Right? So, and on the after the 4th day, the 5th day will be the Zoom live class. We will be meeting live on Zoom on Sunday. I hope the date is 9th of August. Sunday 11 o'clock will be our day number 5. I'll try my level best to make it 2 meetings, Hindi and English separate timings, right? So I welcome you again. We will be learning many new things, right? I hope you are excited to learn new things. Even I am excited to share something new which will help you to grow, which will help you to focus on your subconscious mind and attract what you want in your life. Thank you, and see you in my upcoming audios and videos. Till then, take care and thank you.